Hello, good people. How are you all? Let's talk about a different crypto site, that is Jumble Cash. Binance Smart Chain traders are not private. Jumble is a direct help that will extend your assurance while executing on Binance Smart Chain. Jumble gets you trades between addresses. Suitably, Jumble helps you with cutting all ties between your old and new mixed Binance Smart Chain by confounding everyone's coin using phenomenally gathered reworking estimation. This ought to be a conceivable through the Jumble program wallet or directly from the Jumble pool. Jumble is absolutely robotized and works without human assistance. Right when the obfuscating communication is done, the show simply steals all associated data. From a progression perspective, managers can add more consolidates and chains expense despite system upgrades that will add to the advancement of Jumble. A question can come to your mind that how can you stay anonymous when transacting Binance Smart Chain and other cryptocurrency by Jumble Cash? Well, in the current implementation, they only attempt to solve the on-chain part of privacy. There is also a network level privacy that needs to be handled by users. Your IP address can be considered public information because it is known to many parties, like your ISP and any router on the way to your target server. For example, your ISP could log timestamps of packets sent to Relayer and correlate them with withdrawal transaction timestamps. Use a VPN or try to hide your IP, especially during a withdrawal. The note contains data that can be used to link your deposit with withdrawal. If you wish to allow someone else to audit your transaction, you should keep the note data, which can act as viewing key, but only after it is spent. Make sure you clear cookies for decentralized apps before using your new address. Because if a decentralized app sees both old and new addresses with the same cookies, it will know that addresses are from the same owner. A good way to do this is by using a new identity, such as browser, wallet, or IP, for the funds of your new address. If you are using a public RPC with your all wallets, it might know that your address are linked. For example, if you use the same IP or API token for different identities, note that if you keep your wallets in MetaMask, it will automatically use the same API token for all your requests. Realistically, for most users, it might be optimal to ignore some of those points in favor of convenience. It might be acceptable that some decentralized apps or RPC nodes have an ability to track the transaction, but most likely they don't care and don't log the required data. It's still much better privacy than everyone being able to see the full history on a block explorer like Etherscan. So, good people, try to anonymous when transacting Binance Smart Chain and other cryptocurrency by Jumble Cash. Thank you everyone.